get right to the floor show and to the floor of the SIBO, where Prosper Trading Academy CEO and star options trader Scott Bauer is standing by live. Scott, if you look at the bounce we've seen since April 8th, when the ceasefire began, it's really impressive, considering the Iranians are still firing. I don't know what they don't understand about ceasefire, but what is the chatter on the SIBO floor about how long a tail the rally has?
Yeah, Liz, it's actually astonishing, this rally. The chatter down here is across the board. Everyone kind of thinks that the market's getting a little top heavy. Now, does that mean we can't move higher? No, because as Charles just said, just about 10 minutes ago or so, the market looks like it wants to explode, and it really does. But the feeling here is that it's top heavy. What kind of concerns me here is in the rally that we've seen over the last several days especially, we're still seeing a VIX just a notch under 20. To me, if we were rallying like this and there was a lot of conviction behind it, we would maybe see the VIX back down 17, 16, which it touched, just last week for a brief moment here. So I think that the underpinnings to the market are actually pretty good, but obviously we've got inflation worries, we've got Iran worries. So with that being said, I love the upside to this market here, but I would still be cautious and use a little of that caution and maybe buy some upside VIX calls or some sort of protection just in the S&Ps here, just in case something happens. But it's definitely something to watch. So we've got oil up, markets are up, and the VIX is still hovering around 20, which is a little bit uncomfortable.
I get that, but look at the semis today. Look at what is happening in that space. It feels as if the markets are projecting well beyond the end of the war. It's almost like they see it happening. We can only hope, certainly, and they're moving accordingly. So what part of that gives you sort of that odd feeling?
Just the odd feeling that we've rallied so far, so quickly. Can this continue? Yes. At some point, whether it's for a day, a week, we're going to see a lot of these semis take a big drop. I'm not saying that is a necessarily a bearish move. That's just a matter of supply and demand, and the fact that many of these stocks have just moved and rallied back so quickly. However, though, you know what? You said the market is pricing maybe beyond the war, and the market typically is forward-looking. It's very forward-looking. That's something to be really optimistic about. And the fact that we've seen a lot of, not just the semis, AI stocks coming back into the press here, making big rallies, but the breadth of the market also widening out. That's a really good strength underpinning for the market as well. I'm really focusing on IBM. The stock is selling off a little bit ahead of earnings today here, but boy, oh boy, coming off those lows that we saw back in February, due to the Anthropic news here, IBM has made a really nice run. I would expect an upside surprise when they report later today.
Yeah, you can see that from February. See the dip, folks. It was around February 13th that Anthropic released a model that some interpreted as a threat to IBM's mainframe business. But from the business action that we see here, maybe you're right. We'll be watching after the bell. IBM, he says it's going to be a big upside surprise. Thanks, Scott.
Thank you, Liz.